Most people grow up learning how to earn money, but almost no one teaches them how to build wealth. That's exactly the lesson behind the famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The book compares two mindsets, one focused on working for money, and the other focused on making money work for you. Here are 5 powerful takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And the 5th one is the mindset shift that changes everything. So make sure you stick around for that. Takeaway number 1. The rich don't work for money. Many people spend their entire lives chasing paychecks, working harder and harder for income. But wealthy people focus on building assets that generate income. So eventually, their money begins working for them. Takeaway number 2. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. According to the book, an asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out of your pocket. For example, investments, businesses, or rental properties can generate income, while things like expensive cars or high-interest debt often drain money. Takeaway number 3. Financial education is critical. Schools teach us many things, but rarely teach us how money actually works. Understanding investing, taxes, businesses, and cash flow can make a massive difference in building wealth. Takeaway number 4. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Many people avoid opportunities because they fear losing money, but successful investors focus on learning, improving, and taking smart risks that can create long-term rewards. And takeaway number 5, make money work for you. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. Instead of relying only on your job, focus on building income streams through assets and investments. If you enjoy learning powerful money lessons like this, consider subscribing, because we break down books and financial ideas like these every week. The biggest lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is simple. It's not just about how much money you earn. It's about how you use and grow the money you earn. Welcome to the Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.